good morning everybody. Welcome back to Vlogmas day numero, this is sad, day 8. It's got to be day 8. If it's wrong, then y'all already, you know, Christmas music and all that stuff right there. Grace and peace everybody, good morning, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Vlogmas day number 8 and I am headed to the gym, y'all. Let me tell y'all something funny though. Why did I have my alarm clock set and everything, right? So then my trainer gonna text me this morning and talking about some, hey, you know, what's the latest time you can come later? Basically saying he not gonna be able to make it for our morning workout. This was at 6:59 this morning, okay? So I seen it. You wanna know what I did when I seen it? I seen that, I cut my alarm clock off and I rolled over. I texted him back something. I had said probably more so of the evening, because after the workout, then, you know, I want to work. So I was like, yeah, probably more of the evening. I didn't even wait for a response. I rolled over and went back to sleep. So yeah, I was knocked out. So then he ended up calling me and he was like, hey, you get my text? He ended up texting me saying, never mind. But the funny thing is, he literally texted me back in the same minute. The same minute, y'all. 6:59. He texted right back. But I had texted it so fast and shut my phone off and rolled over. You know, like when you have sleep, you instantly go right back to sleep. So it was just so funny how quick that happened. I was like, see, you should have never texted me nothing, because I don't play with my sleep. I'm gonna give me some rest if I can, okay? I'm getting some rest. So today we are working on something super exciting. I'm gonna be working on my room, you know, like redecorating in there and stuff like that. So I'm really excited, because why not? Anything around decorating, redecorating, revamping, organizing, all of that excites me. All of that really gets me pumped. So I'm here for all of it. So that'll be exciting today. So I'll bring you guys behind the scenes of that campaign. Luckily, I don't have to this campaign is interesting. So again, I try to take you guys behind the scenes of like this campaign stuff. So this one's pretty interesting. This one, they've given me the brief. They've given me all the rules, all the do's and don'ts. And this one, they're not even requesting that I send it in for approval. So at this point, they're just like, well, when you finish, post it, you know, make sure everything is linked and what it needs to be, and enjoy your new item. So so once that's done, I'm still gonna submit it in my folder and everything, and make sure everything is up to par. And then we're gonna post it, and then yeah, so that's gonna be today's priority. That should not be a super long project. Actually, that one probably shouldn't take me no more than 3 hours. And I say 3 just because there's some stuff I have to do, like with the decorating part. So I'm hoping like that's not gonna give me any issues. But yeah, so hopefully the whole thing won't take me no more than 3 hours. I can knock that out, and then I'm gonna start on my second campaign. I have 2 I have to work on. I have 2 that's due this week, and and one is bigger than the other, so I gotta get to it. And the only reason why I want to knock this one out is because they gave me a 5-day turnaround time. So they were like, you know, literally the day it's delivered, 5 days we need content. So I said, all right, cool. So this Wednesday will make 5 days. We'll make the 5th day, so y'all will get it by Wednesday. So if not tomorrow, that's my plan, is to have it done by tomorrow. So, but yeah, so anyway, I'm headed to the gym, so I'll see you guys when I get there. is up, you guys? So I am sitting in my second office, I guess I can say right now, until my office gets done. I am editing, doing a little editing, entering some emails. That's my iPad up here. I gotta sign a little contract. Hang on. Okay, so I'm going to finish up the work here. I will meet you guys back when we are getting ready to film for That's It Office. Avery gonna be mad at me. She gonna be mad. She gonna be mad, y'all, because look, she loves to sit at the window. And if I move the couch, look at her. Y'all, if I move that couch, she is going to be furious. She's gonna be so mad at me. I'm so sorry, and mommy's gotta do something else in her office, Booga, but look, y'all. Me too, mama. Hi, sweetums. Alright, y'all. Already know what it is. Y'all know what it is. We about to get cooking. We about to get cooking. We about to. You're gonna let me down gently. Okay, so on today's menu. So for breakfast, I did a meal replacement smoothie, fruit smoothie. For lunch, kind of a late lunch, but lunch, we are going to do, and I'll probably do this for dinner as well, because I have 2 slabs of salmon. So we're gonna do salmon, we're gonna do broccoli, and we're gonna do some rice. We'll do a little brown rice. We can go ahead and put that on. You guys, so I am getting ready to get dressed. I am hopping on live. If you guys don't know already, this is why I be saying follow me on Instagram, because you guys really get the updates on there really fast. But I am going to be one of the guest speakers in Orlando, Florida, coming this January of 2022 for a conference. And I'm super excited. I'm gonna put the flyer right here, but I'm super excited. It's called Becoming That Girl, and it's gonna be me and some other speakers. So it won't just be me. It'll be me and some other speakers. So I'm super excited. So we're hopping on live tonight. Me and one of the other speakers. Her name is Sonia. But yeah, we're hopping on live tonight with the coordinator of the event. So we're hopping on live tonight to just chat and have like some girl chit chat. They said it's gonna be like a pretty chill time. So I was honestly gonna hop on there with like no makeup and just like chill out. But I was like, no, like this will be my first appearance on their platform. Like let me just show up real quick. Got my makeup here. I'm gonna literally do like the quickest makeup look, And of course, we're gonna do my favorite red lip combo right now. I don't know what it is, just the red lip is doing something for me. And now that I have found, I mean, I've always found like a really good red to always use. But like now I've really found it now. That's a quick little combo. I've left it in the comments, but I'll put it up here. It'll be down below. So I'm going to get my mind and spirit right while I get dressed. So I'm going to, of course, do this as a speed through, and I will see you guys when I'm done.
Jingle with me, baby. 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 Jingle with me, baby.
Okay, now the real question is, what are we wearing? Do y'all watch, let me know down below if you guys watch all of Destiny's vlogs. Like, she be using the same song every year for Vlogmas, and I love it. I think it's her brother. Yeah, I think it's her brother that makes music or something, and she always uses his Christmas songs. Every day Christmas, spending like it's Christmas. Like, I'll be jamming out every single time. I love her vlog. Okay, so the big question is, what are we wearing? Y'all already know we getting on live, so like, I ain't gotta see the lower half. Amen, okay? Y'all not gonna see that. Cause you ever like, okay, if you get invited to be on somebody's live, like, you don't wanna just buzz up there. Now, I see if it was mine. What are we giving? Let's wear this. Let me change my shirt. Okay, we got our shirt on. This is by my girl, Angel. It's a little 2-piece number, super cute. Hi, baby. Avery is literally right up under me, but this is so cute. So what do you guys think? I don't know, I like it. So you know what I'm saying? Get on there and be like, well, hello. Like I said, like, we're gonna be doing like a little chit chat. So this is gonna be like a cute little situation. So let's go ahead and set up, okay? Also, I don't know, nobody asked. Like, I'll be honest, nobody asked. But these lights, I put these around my mirror. I got them from Amazon. I'll link them just in case you have like ugly bathroom lighting like me and you want it to be nice and bright and give you like that LED vibe. Cause like, look at the difference. Like, girl, can't nobody see nothing in that. All right, I know the lighting is a bit harsh, but I'm trying to get it to where, like, lighting can be so funny sometimes. I don't know, man. It's a little different when you have, and then like I have these big cushion pillows and they don't keep their shape. Like, they literally are filled with air. So I'm trying to figure out, because I don't want that much bright light on me, and it's like really bright. And I feel myself getting frustrated, and I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna get this situated and I'll be back. Okay, guys, we are minutes from joining the live. Yay!
Bust now, Sanja. And let me go ahead and send Jalen's too while I'm at it.
You look good. Hi. Hello, beautiful.
Hi.
Welcome. And just getting everybody excited for the retreat. We're gonna let them hear from you guys. Okay, so first, before we get into the questions, I know everybody doesn't know everybody. So first, we're just gonna introduce ourselves, and then Jalen and Sanja, you guys can introduce yourselves for the people who don't know you, and then also we want to share with you guys the reason that we're even here. Some of you guys might be wondering, why are we even on this live? So,
well, I'm Jalen. I'm known as Faceovermatter in the YouTube and Instagram world. I'm a content creator, influencer, and I'm just excited to even be a part of this retreat.
what is your definition of that girl?
She even took all the words out of my mouth. No, I completely agree with her 110%. Yeah, being that girl, I feel like it's something that you're always going to continue to look for and become. So whatever it is that you're doing, whatever it is that, you know, God has called you to do, you just be that girl in it. And even though someone might be doing the same thing that you're doing, it's like nobody can do it like you. You're unique. You're that girl, and you deserve to be in the room as well.